welcome back to another awesome video by me. Today I am doing another unboxing video. At this point I only have 2 monthly subscription boxes. So one is the BoxyCharm, which if you did not already see the August unboxing for that, go check it out now. And then next I have the Allure Beauty Box subscription. This one, if you're not familiar with, it's $15 a month, but they have a promotion going on when you get it for the first 4 months, I believe. It's only $10 and it's $10.68 is what is charged. But anyways, this is my 3rd time getting this Allure box, so we will see what is in here for this month. You do get a mixture of sample sizes and full sizes with this box, so yes. So anyways, oh, and if you do like my makeup look and you want to see how I did it, I did just film a tutorial on this. I did this with the Laura Lee Party Animal palette that I got in my BoxyCharm. So if you want to see that palette makeup look, check that video out right now too, or whenever, you know, after this. Watch this one first. Okay. So anyways, when you first open up the Allure box, it looks like this. It comes with a little pamphlet with the model, and inside of this booklet is some discount codes, and just all of the products and what the retail prices are of each of these products. So we'll kind of follow along this so I can tell you the full price of everything. And then it's like this, and you open it up. And so the very first thing on top is this. It's $30 off your next order for Breda watches, and if you want, you can use this gift card code by October the 31st. There's the code if you want to try their watches. That is 81830. Sorry if it's blurry. So there's that. Now I do see, we'll go in here. The first thing that I see, this is the Caudalie. And this is a moisturizing sorbet cream type stuff. This is a sample size. The full size retails for $39. Now I did get a Caudalie perfume in my last month's box, and it smelled disgusting. It was terrible in my opinion. It was just not good. So we're gonna see this cream like that. Alright, the cream, the lotion stuff smells so good. Smells really, really good. It smells so good. Okay, I like this. So I will be happy to use this and see how well it works. The next thing that I see in here is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. This retails for $20. And it says it's at Sephora. So this is what it looks like. It's like it looks like a lip balm kind of. Oh crap! I can't put it on right now. It's very soft. It's just like a chapstick, like a liquid chapstick kind of thing. But it says it is a sleep mask, and you put this on at night, and then you just wipe it off in the morning, I guess, when you wake up. So that is cool. It's not as much as you think it is. But it's a nice little sample. I mean, it's something to try. And it smells pretty good too. So that works. The next thing that I do see in here is Laritzi Light Skin Illuminator. Cruelty free, very nice. The Laritzi Cosmetic Light Stick in Halo retails for $24. And it looks like this. And this, I believe, is a full size. So that is nice. Let's see. Now, I guess this is like a highlighter stick type thing. You can't really see it's kind of looks like it has a little bit of a shimmer to it, and it seems to blend pretty well. So that's nice. So that'll be nice. I don't think of a highlighter not like a highlighter like you think, but I think it's just more of like a brightening stick kind of thing. So that's good. I will definitely use that. The very last 2 things that I have, this is really, really nice because normally these are shampoo and conditioner. It's really cool, and it seems that Allure, and they've seemed to have listened to everyone's complaints, because I know that we have previously gotten either just a shampoo or just a conditioner, and it's not just Allure. Any other subscription box, you never get both. I haven't. It's one or the other, which is kind of dumb to me. But anyway, so this, you actually get both the shampoo and the conditioner, which is awesome. So good job to Allure for doing that. This is shampoo, and this is protein infusion with keratin protein and black rice for severely damaged hair. So it should be helpful for anyone who has damaged hair, or anyone who colors their hair like me all the time. It could help. So the shampoo retails for $12.99, and the conditioner retails for $17.99. So these are nice products. Look, it says repair level 5. Dang. That's some good repair stuff right there. That is everything. It was hiding. Look at that. It was hiding in there. It looks like, oh, that's it. No, look at that. I had a secret product. It was hiding. Alrighty, well, very cool. This is the Ico London Liquid Eyeliner in black. These are awesome. This is what I use to do my wings, and you can't have too many of these, right? So this is, let's see. So it looks like this, the tip of it is very similar to my BH Cosmetics one. It is, I mean, the whole thing, aside from the name, is identical to the one I got from BH. But this retails at Ulta for $22. So that's nice. I will try this. It says Precise Smudge Proof Pitch Black. It is not waterproof though, from what I can see. If it is, let me know. So that is my Allure Beauty Box for August. And I just want to say, I got it way earlier than what I did before, because last month I didn't get it until literally like the 27th, 28th of the month. So to have it, today's like the 19th, I think, but to have it like be way before it, before the end of the month is really nice. So they actually shipped it out like they were supposed to. Yes. All right, good job, Allure. Well, if anyone does want to try out this box, it is a pretty good box. I can say that I've been happy with it every month that I get it, aside from the off shipping times, and you never know when you're gonna get it. But it does, other than that, it's nice. So the link for the box will be below. It is a referral code, so I think that if you do it through my link, we both get a little prize or something. I don't know how that works. But so try it out if you're interested. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you like this video, you like Allure products, or you like any of the products in there, just like it. Just like it. And then subscribe for more awesome videos. I have more unboxing videos and haul videos and makeup videos and hair videos and all kinds of stuff that you might like. Don't forget to turn on that little bell notification thing down there so you never miss another awesome video by me. And you can join in on the fun and leave a comment below, because I always respond to those. I really enjoy responding to those and hearing what you guys have to say. So yes, thank you, and I will see you on my next video. Okay, bye.